Hi, Mr. Baisap here and welcome to another one of my videos. I'll be showing you how to change a diesel filter, also known as a fuel filter, on a Audi A6 2016 diesel. It should be the same for all the Audi A6 diesels from 2014 onwards. It's located on the right hand side underneath the vehicle behind the big cover. The cover is attached to a couple of plastic clips and loads of 10mm plastic nuts. Once all the clips and nuts are removed, the cover should come off and you should be able to see the diesel filter. Undo the 10mm nut holding the bracket. Then remove the bracket that's holding the fuel filter. The filter would have a couple of pipes attached to it with jubilee clips. One for the fuel to go in and one for the fuel to come out. Push the jubilee clips back using a pliers or any other jubilee clip tool. And do the same for the other side. Remove the pipe using a long nose pliers or any other pipe removing tool that you may have. Make sure to have a tray underneath so you could collect the diesel that would come out. As for the pipe on the other side of the filter, you should be able to just pull it out. The other end of the rubber pipes are metal pipes, unlike the BMWs which are plastic, so you won't be able to pull out the filter on BMWs like you can on this one. When putting the new filter on, make sure to put it the right way around. There's usually arrows on the fuel filter showing you the direction of fuel flow. After reconnecting the pipes, you can put the jubilee clips back on. Then you can put the bracket back on. Yeah, start the car. Just gonna check for leaks. And after you made sure there are no diesel leaks, you can put the cover back and you should be all done. More videos coming soon. Like my head kit, please subscribe and share.